Given that t is equal to 2 pi times the square root of L over G, find G in terms of t and L. This formula is used to calculate the period of a pendulum. T stands for the period. That means the number of cycles which are made in 1 second. 2 pi is a constant. L stands for the length of the string, while G stands for the acceleration due to gravity. Finding G in terms of T and L simply means we have to make G the subject of formula. We take solution. T is equal to 2 pi times the square root of L over G. First step, we are going to start by dividing all through by 2 pi, so we can eliminate the constant 2 pi at the right hand side. T divided by 2 pi will be equal to 2 pi divided by 2 pi times the square root of L over G. At the right hand side, 2 pi will strike off 2 pi. We'll be left with T over 2 pi is equal to the square root of L of G. The next step, we need to eliminate the square root sign at the right hand side, since we have to make G the subject of formula. And the only way we can eliminate the square root sign is for us to square both sides. We square the left hand side and we square the right hand side. This and this will strike off. We'll be left with, we can expand this will give us t squared all over 2 squared at the denominator gives 4 pi squared is equal to L over G. At this stage, we are going to perform cross multiplication. This will imply that we are going to take t squared times G, we equate it to 4 pi squared times L. So this will give us t squared G is equal to 4 pi squared L. Next step, we are going to divide all through by t squared. Since we want G to be alone, this will imply that t squared G divided by t squared is equal to 4 pi squared L divided by t squared. At the left hand side, t squared will strike off t squared. We will be left with G. This will simply imply that G will be equal to 4 pi squared L all over t squared. Therefore, the acceleration due to gravity is given by 4 pi squared L all over t squared, where L stands for the length of the string and t stands for the period. We are done with the solution. If in case you have any worries, feel free to drop your questions at the comment section. Please like the video, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much for watching.